You ready? Let's go.
What are you doing today? Before we get started, everybody knows that this channel here, the Oil Field Workout Guide channel, I'm Joe, your host. We feature the Bowflex Max Trainer. It's what brings everybody here. Down in the descriptions, I have a link for you to click onto. Take you right to the Bowflex Max Trainer. Take you right to Bowflex. You can deal with them. They have everything to set up a whole gym. The other thing that we have here, I use it every day and I love it. I just got done a 15-minute workout, a little more advanced class for the guys to chase me down. But the coldest, water bottle. Beautiful bottle, even 24 hours later. Beautiful way to carry it, beautiful nipple that comes out. That's why I use it on the Max Trainer. It's convenient. I don't have to do anything fumbling around trying to get a lid open or anything. Keep it right here in the tray holder. Never moves, even when we're going full out. So, what I wanted to talk to you about, I did a survey on Facebook, on a page that I'm at. This is just a talk video, and I'll break it down for you. So, the survey that I did was, when you first started out on the Max Trainer, where were you at? What were you having difficulties with? Guys and girls were basically in the same category of about 10 to 15 the burn rate per minute. If you're not familiar with the Bowflex Max Trainer, I have a picture up here of my control panel where you see what looks like a speedometer. Is actually, those numbers indicate what calories you're burning per minute. And also down on the screen is an electronic screen, that electronic burn rate, and the one that you see with the needle will reference each other. They are calibrated together. It just makes it easier while you're working out to see that needle going. Okay, so when I say your burn rate per minute, whether it be a 15, 20, a 30, a 31, that is how many calories per minute you're burning according to the machine, the power, the force, the resistance, it all plays in and it calculates for you. So the most common response, guys and girls, when they first got the Max Trainer was between 10 and 15 was the most common. Occasionally I had a few guys that were probably, athletic to begin with, up around 15 to 20. So it inspired me to make another beginner video. What I want to do is break it down into 3 parts. The first part I want to do with you is teaching you your body and how you feel on the machine, and basically just to get you to relax. We're not going to concentrate on numbers. The other portion of what the most chief complaint was, they were unable to do the 14 to 15 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes was the max. So, and I think most of that was, you get this machine home, you set it up, you're eager to get on it, you jump on it, you lay into it, you realize how hard it is, and after about 5 minutes you give up. So let's start over with the fundamentals. Please, whatever you do, make a deal with me. You get on the machine and go with me, and we're going to do 15-minute segments. If you can't do it, you will be able to do it. Okay? I want to do a 3-part series. The first one, I'm going to get you to know your body, know how you feel. The second one, we're going to start introducing more body parts, and I'm going to show you how the upper half will assist the lower half. And then in the third part, we're actually going to get you to do a 14-minute interval, and hopefully, if we're successful, you will do your best 14-minute interval. It's all about relaxing, okay? I'm going to go over it with you, how to breathe, how to relax, how not to get excited. Let the numbers fall where the numbers are going to fall. And then we have something to build off of. So, this is just a talk video. My more advanced guys, I just got done making one. I'm going to put that out there for you so you can have it, probably have it tomorrow. This one here I'll put out for tonight. It's going to be an unusual time. I'm going to put this one out tonight. I usually base all the videos at 6 o'clock in the morning, but this one I'm just going to go up and make and put out for tonight. It's just a short video. And then the hard workout I'll put for tomorrow. And then from there, we'll start a 3-part series. I'll label it. Start a beginner video, part 1, 2, and 3, or something like that. We'll know how to do it. But please, if you're struggling, do not use this as a clothes rack. Do not sell it already. Just please do my beginner video. I will work with you. And if you're still struggling after that, let me know down in the comments and I will work with you again. This channel only succeeds if you keep coming back. And if you are not coming back because you're unhappy with your machine, this channel doesn't succeed. I'm here for the beginners. Okay, so even my more advanced guys, take it back to the fundamentals. Join us. So, all right, I will see you on part 1. Look for it. You'll see it. Okay? All right, love you guys.